Here is Israel.
I'm Shlomit Levi. This is Rebbe Soul. We are Shlomit and Rebbe Soul project. I'm a Yemenite singer from Israel, and I was born in a small town called Kiryat Ekron. My parents came from Yemen, from a small community of Jews in Yemen, and they came in the 50s. And growing up, I listened to my grandmother singing Yemenite Arabic songs to me while making baskets. And as I grew up, the Yemenite music went to the side, and I was listening to rock music, and I was listening to pop music and world music, and I kind of forgot about the Yemenite. But then an American friend came to me and said to me, "Hey, this is the CD of Ofra Haza, Yemenite songs. You should listen to it." And I was like, "Of course, Ofra Haza, I know her." But you say, "No, please, give it a listen." And then I put the CD, and suddenly I was like shocked. I was hearing Yemenite music with Western arrangements, and I loved it. And since then, I kind of dive into the Yemenite world, and in our new album, I'm combining exactly the music that I love. Yemenite music, 400-year-old songs, and rock music, and elements of world music into one really tasty stew that we did together. And it's called The Seal of Solomon, like the seal of King Solomon. And check it out.
Here is Israel.